nice. A lot of snow. It's nice, all white already. Got a lot of snow. Tonight I got a snow blower again, the snow. Today we want to make a potato salad. And I got everything over here. I got the eggs, potato, celery, carrots, pickle. It's everything already chopped inside over here. And I got 2 yolks. I want to make homemade mayonnaise. I want to taste everything really, really good. And we got over here the mostarda.
Mustard.
La mostarda. And I got black pepper, salt, lemon, and I use this kind of oil. It's a grape seed oil. Now, for start, let's start over here with the mayonnaise. And I got 2 yolks, and I want to put a little mostarda. And we put inside over here. Okay. Now we start with the frusta. And with the yolk, make sure that not be the white. And the oil you gotta put a little bit at a time. For now, it looks good. Really good. Like I said, you oil, you gotta beat a little bit all the time. And you gotta scramble it really, really good. Now, I want to put a little drop of the lemon. Okay. The lemon, it gives a nice taste to the mayonnaise. Okay, now we need a pinch of salt, not too much, like this. And now we put it right over here. We give a nice mix now.
Looks so good. It's cooked eggs inside in a salad, but in the mayo it's raw eggs.
Okay, look how beautiful look this salad. It's really, really nice. Now,
What else you put in the salad, if you can repeat?
yes, we got a pickle, celery, carrots, a potato. After we put like the salt, the black pepper, everything. Okay, now I put a little black pepper. Yeah, I want to put a little black pepper for my the taste. You can taste the difference with homemade mayonnaise. It's really, really tasty. I hope somebody make it's easy. Don't think you can spread it by hand or with a machine. I want to say to everybody, thank you so much. Thank you so much for your support, and thank you for the stuff. Thank you, and we see next time. Thank you.